So let's evaluate two antiderivatives, 3x dx over x squared plus 1 and 2x squared plus 7x minus 3 over x minus 2. So for the first, I guess we're in need of a u substitution here, so we'll do u equal to x squared plus 1. Then du is going to be equal to 2x dx, in which case x dx is going to be 1/2 du. And so we get 3, which we can write on the outside, and x dx becomes 1/2 du, so 3 over 2 du, over x squared plus 1 is just u. And so we end up with 3/2, and here's our natural log, but it's the natural log of absolute value u plus c. And when we apply our u substitution of x squared plus 1 back in, we get 3/2 ln absolute value x squared plus 1 plus c. I will make one small comment here. X squared is always positive, so x squared plus 1 is always positive as well. Actually, x squared plus 1 is always non-negative, and therefore x squared plus 1 is always positive. So you could actually drop the absolute values in this and just write 3/2 natural log with parentheses x squared plus 1 plus c. But in general, say if this were x squared minus 1, you would absolutely definitely need the absolute value. Let's take a look at part B. Part B is similar. However, we're not going to need a u substitution here. We instead look at the numerator. The numerator has a larger degree than that of the denominator, so we're actually going to have to go with long division. So an important note is whenever you have a numerator with larger degree than that of the denominator, use long division. So I included this here because I wanted you to get a look at a review of how to do long division. So x minus 2 on the outside, 2x squared plus 7x minus 3 on the inside. X divided into 2x squared is 2x, times x is 2x squared, minus 4x, and then we subtract. So positive 7x, and it's going to turn into positive 4x is 11x. Bring down the 3, and then we divide. X into 11x is plus 11, and so we get 11x minus 22, and then we subtract, and so we get minus 3, positive 22, so that's going to give us a positive 19 by my calculation. So plus 19 over x minus 2. So that's what we have to integrate, and this is quite easy. So for B, we have an integral of 2x plus 11 plus 19 over x minus 2 dx. Okay, so no calculus yet, but the hard part is really over. So the integral of 2x is x squared. The integral of 11 is 11x. Integral of 19 over x minus 2, well, 19 comes along for the ride. Antiderivative of 1 over x minus 2 is ln x minus 2, but again, the absolute value of x minus 2. And plus c, and that's it.